Defenders are well known for not being watertight, and so this is the rear door of Defender 110, and you can see here the door. When I close it, you see all that gap, so I'm gonna fill that gap. To do so, what I need is a heat gun, some Proform PF300, some kind of plastic tool, and some plastic gloves. Proform comes like caulk strip like that. The heating gun will really help making it even softer and stickier, so you can form it and put it directly in your gap. Heat it up gently, and very quickly you will notice it becomes very soft, and there you go, you can have a nice ball. Okay, simply place that ball in the gap and here, close the door, and let's see if there is enough. It's definitely better, still misses a bit, so we're gonna add a bit more. Check it out, no more gap. So I did that for all 4 doors, and you can see it here. And while I was at it, I also did, as Mike suggested, filling the gap here in the channels here, all the doors, front and back. And that was suggested by Mike from Britannica Restorations. I'll put the link, and you should go follow his channel.